How to buy $Mates. Mates token MOEMATE AI crypto coin How to by MOEMATE LBank SOL Solana Raydium blockchain. How to buy Mates token, Mates. Step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, Logan here. Back again with an exciting update about the Mates token, Mates. This token is getting a lot of attention today, and with massive market cap and 24-hour trading volume, it's definitely making waves. Let's dive into the Mates token, how to get it, and why it's gaining so much traction. What is Mates token, Mates? Mates token is tied to the project MOEMATE AI, which offers a highly customizable, AI-driven virtual companion. This virtual assistant can engage in lively conversations, help with everyday tasks, and provide entertainment through an intelligent sidekick. With Mates, you can customize AI characters with various voices, looks, and personalities. Create and share personalized AI companions with others. Use premium language models and image generation tools to design your own characters. It's essentially a community-driven AI platform that's looking to transform how we interact with AI technology. The token is used within the MOEMATE AI ecosystem for various functions like building, incubating, and trading AI agents. Key information about Mates token, Mates. Blockchain, Solana. Total supply, 1,122,123,199,999 tokens, fully diluted. Current price, around $0.0098 almost a penny. Market cap, $191 million. First mint, January 8, 2025. Holders, 2,413 holders as of now. Decimals, 6 decimal places. Contract address. You can find both the Mates and MO token contract addresses on the official Telegram. The Mates token was just listed on LBank today, January 15, 2025, and it's already receiving strong attention. It's also available on decentralized exchanges like Raydium on the Solana blockchain. How to buy Mates token, Mates. Option 1. Buy on centralized exchange, LBank. Create an account. If you don't have an LBank account yet, download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or use their website to register. Deposit funds. After creating your account, fund it with USDT, Tether, or another supported currency. Search for Mates token. In the trade section, search for Mates or Mates token. Place an order. Once you find the token, either place a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to buy at your preferred price. Confirm your purchase. After reviewing the details, confirm the order, and the Mates tokens will be added to your exchange wallet. Option 2. Buy on decentralized exchange, Raydium. If you prefer to buy the token through a decentralized exchange, DEX, like Raydium, here's how to do it. Set up a Solana-compatible wallet. You'll need a wallet that supports Solana tokens, like Solflare, Phantom, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. Download the wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or install the Chrome extension. Fund your wallet. Deposit SOL, Solana, into your wallet. You can transfer SOL from an exchange to fund your wallet. Go to Raydium. On your wallet's dApp section, find and go to Raydium. Find the Mates token. Use the contract address, available on their Telegram or Twitter, to search for the Mates token. Swap SOL for Mates. Swap your SOL for Mates using the contract address. There may be a small slippage adjustment, 0.5% should work, and you'll need to pay a small gas fee in SOL. Confirm the transaction. After confirming the transaction, you'll receive your Mates tokens in your wallet. Security and audits. The Mates token has undergone some risk analysis, and according to the rug check, the project is considered safe. The top holder of the token is actually a Jupiter locker, with 15.9% of the total supply. There are also several other Jupiter lockers holding significant portions of the token, ensuring a fair distribution. The project has verified contracts and has been audited for security. The rug risk is low, making it a safer option for investors. Community and support. Telegram. The Mates Telegram community has around 1,818 members and is a great place to interact with other holders and the development team. Twitter. The project has 113,000 followers on Twitter, and the official Twitter account posts regular updates about the project, including contract addresses and news. Website. Visit mate.io for more details on the platform, the application, and how to interact with the AI-powered tools. Final thoughts. The Mates token is gaining a lot of attention thanks to its ties to an innovative AI-driven virtual companion platform. With a massive market cap, solid trading volume, and new centralized exchange listings, this token has a lot of potential for growth. If you're interested in cutting-edge AI technology and want to get in on the ground floor of a project with strong community support, Mates token might be worth a look. However, as always, make sure to do your own research, DYOR, and consider the inherent volatility of the crypto market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts on this project. Peace out.